Yeah. Clocked in, 6-7. Still standing. Got a jaw like rusty steel. Don't bend, don't break. Knuckles talking louder than the choices I make. Boots full of gravel, yeah, I walk like a thread. Every bad decision's just a badge on my chest. Got a halo made of barbed wire, sits just right. Sing lullabies to violence every Saturday night. Doctor said, son, you should probably behave. I said, write that down on my gravestone, mate. I don't flex, I creak and grind. Held together out of spite and time. I'm Toughness 67, not a number, it's a state. Little bit of heaven, whole lot of second-rate fate. I don't die easy, I just misbehave. Kick down the door, then I piss on the grave. Toughness 67, yeah, I barely survive. But I look real good for a man half alive. Got a smile like a warning sign, flickers in red. Every good intention's already dead. Burn on my shoulder keeps whispering sentences. Go on, mate, do it again. Teeth like broken glass, chew through luck. Shake hands with God just to test my luck. Every mirror cracks when I walk on by. Even my reflection won't look me in the eye. Held together with tape and rage. A masterpiece in a rusted cage. I'm Toughness 67, not a number, it's a curse. Could've been better, but I chose worse. I don't heal right, I just scar with style. Laugh in the face of a loaded trial. Toughness 67, yeah, I barely survive. But I outlive things that should still be alive. Count it up, 1, 2, nah, lost track at pain. Every lesson learned just circles again. Feathers in my teeth, blood in my grin. If this is losing, I guess I win. Toughness 67. I'm Toughness 67, carved into bone. Built like a problem that won't leave you alone. No redemption arc, no clean escape. Just a bad idea with a better shape. Toughness 67, yeah, I barely survive. But I'll be the last bad habit alive. Yeah, 6-7. Still breathing. Unfortunately.